have them talk. Hey everybody, it's Lawrence and I want to welcome you today. I want to talk about making love to the universe. Now, if you've never heard of this idea before, you're about to have your mind blown because making love to the universe is something that will change your life. So let's do this together. Number one, here's the idea. The universe is in a state of expansion. And if you've ever seen those pulsations of energy and the solar flares, these are honestly, this is sex. This is life, these pulsations of energy. And we all emit them every day. We're walking around and we're just pulsating desire. And most of us have learned how to control that and damp it down, right? So if you've ever been around people and they're like, you're laughing and you're just having a laughgasm, you're like, and people are like, hey, what are you so happy about? What am I happy about? I am fucking the universe. That's what I'm happy about. I am fucking the universe and being fucked open by the universe. Making love to the universe is listening to that pulse, that sound of the universe expanding and pulsing and expanding and pulsing, and letting my body begin to mirror that sensation. It starts in your root. If you've ever heard of the Kundalini, that little snake that's in the root, it's not a real snake, trust me, but it is a great metaphor. That little snake coiled up. She sits there and she is just waiting for you to listen to the universe. And it starts with a little pulse. So bring your attention right now to your tailbone, right at the root, and just feel and breathe and begin to focus on the expansion, the universe expanding, your breath, breathing. And you let your spine start to rock and move gently. You've done this as a little child. You've done this your whole life. You've learned how to let your body express and move. And in this moment, feel that pulse like a little coiled snake just starting to breathe and move. And as that lifts up the spine, opens your heart, opens your throat, opens your mouth, opens your third eye, opens your crown, and shoots up into the infinitely expanding universe and flows down into your feet, up your body, through your sex and your pleasure center, through your belly and your womb, up through the heart, and focus it right here in your brain. And let that pulse, that love, that making love to the universe fill and flow through your body and your life. That is a perfectly beautiful way to move through your day. If you like this video, share it with your friends. I want more people making love to the universe. Share it, please. Subscribe to my channel and come play and have fun and make passionate, ecstatic, universal love to the yoni verse. I'll see you in the next video.